If you want to maximize both hypertrophy or strength increases, you have to understand how to take your joints and your muscle groups through its full range of motion. So there's something called your scapulohumeral rhythm. This is the idea that your scapula and your humerus are in rhythm with each other. So when your humerus moves, which is your upper arm bone, your scapula has to move with it. So generally, for every 2 degrees of your humeral movement, you have about 1 degree of scapular movement. So in this example, when you have 50 to 60 degrees of humeral movement, you have about 20 to 30 degrees of scapular movement. This is important in chest training because our pectoralis major is directly attached to our humerus. So every time that our humerus moves, our scapula is tethered to it. And so if we're not allowing free movement of our scapula, then we are limiting the range of motion that we're taking this muscle group through. And if you want to maximize strength gains and hypertrophy gains, you have to take it through its full range of motion. So here in the dips, you can see that I'm allowing my scapula to fully retract and protract. At the very top of the dip, you can see myself almost pushing my body away from the floor, and you can see my scapula pop out of the top of my back. And that's because I'm allowing full protraction of my scapula to allow the full contraction of my pectoralis major. This full range of motion will optimize both hypertrophy and strength gains.